01. 1979 Ford Thunderbird, first owner, Concord, Pleasant Hill, Martinez, California, $4,800. This 1979 Ford Thunderbird is a remarkable find for any classic car enthusiast. It's a one-owner vehicle with only 65,000 original miles, showcasing its well-preserved condition. Equipped with a factory-matching V8 351 engine, paired with an automatic transmission, this Thunderbird is all original, right down to the owner's manual and service records. Recent maintenance includes a fully rebuilt carburetor at 62,000 miles, new BF Goodrich tires, and a full tune-up with new shocks, brakes, and a distributor unit. The vehicle has no rust or bondo, and the undercarriage and engine bay are solid and clean. Priced at $4,800, this car offers an excellent opportunity for a buyer seeking a classic, reliable coupe in California. 2. 1979 MGB Roadster, Anaheim, California, $3,500. This 1979 MGB Roadster is a charming convertible that blends British elegance with sporty design. With low original miles and wire wheels, it maintains its classic appeal. This MGB features a 4-speed manual transmission and is in excellent condition overall, although it requires a new fuel pump to run optimally. The clean title and striking orange paint add to its appeal. At $3,500, this car is an affordable entry into the world of classic roadsters, perfect for someone ready to tackle minor mechanical work to bring it back to full glory. 3. 1977 Ford Thunderbird, Nashville, Tennessee, $7,500. With only 43,000 miles on the odometer, this 1977 Ford Thunderbird is a low-mileage gem. The white paint complements the pristine interior, featuring new carpet, headliner, dash pad, and window motors. While it needs a new compressor for the air conditioning, the vehicle boasts a smooth-running V8 engine and numerous updates to the doors and hinges. The seller emphasizes the car's excellent condition, offering a solid option for a classic Thunderbird enthusiast at $7,500. 4. 1970 Chevrolet El Camino, Newark, New Jersey, $6,500. This 1970 Chevrolet El Camino combines the utility of a pickup truck with the styling of a muscle car. Powered by a V8 engine and an automatic transmission, it offers a fair condition exterior with room for restoration. With its clean title and a competitive price of $6,500, this El Camino provides a fantastic foundation for a classic car project. 5. 1977 Buick Regal Landau, Evansville, Indiana, $8,000. Garage kept and exceptionally maintained. This 1977 Buick Regal Landau has only 32,279 original miles. The body is straight with no accidents or major damage, and the interior is smoke-free. Minor surface rust and the need for valve cover gaskets are the only noted imperfections. The car runs and drives great, making it a standout for a buyer seeking a like-new classic sedan at $8,000. 6. 1974 Chevrolet Camaro Sport Coupe, Madera, California, $9,500. This 1974 Chevrolet Camaro Sport Coupe is a solid candidate for restoration. While the odometer is broken, the engine runs well and the body is intact. The car shows rust typical of its era, but retains a clean title. Priced at $9,500, it's a worthy option for a classic car enthusiast looking for a project to restore to its original glory. Seven. 1975 Mercury Comet, Apache Junction, Arizona, $800. This 1975 Mercury Comet is a project car with potential for restoration. Powered by a 250 straight-six engine and an automatic transmission, it includes parts from a 1967 Ford Fairlane, such as the rear axle and front brakes. While the engine runs poorly and the mileage is unknown, its clean title and low price of $800 make it an affordable choice for someone with a passion for classic car restoration. Eight. 1968 Ford F250 long bed, Tucson, Arizona, $4,500. This 1968 Ford F250 is a well-maintained classic pickup with a rebuilt engine and transmission. It features new brakes, a cooling system, and various updates, including new glass and seals. No rust and a clean blue paint job, this truck is ready to drive. Priced at $4,500, it's a dependable option for someone seeking a vintage workhorse with classic American styling. Nine. 1975 MG Model B, Hutto, Texas, $3,700. This 1975 MG Model B hardtop convertible combines classic British styling with a sporty driving experience. Featuring a 4-speed manual transmission and a rust-free body, it has been well maintained over the years. The car includes a new carburetor and comes with a clean Texas title. Priced at $3,700, this vehicle offers excellent value for an enthusiast looking for a classic roadster. Ten. 1988 Cadillac Fleetwood d'Elegance, Van Nuys, California. This 1988 Cadillac Fleetwood d'Elegance is a classic luxury sedan with a 4.5-liter V8 engine. Although it has over 206,000 miles, it was garage kept by its original owner and remains in fair condition. Priced at $1,500, it's a low-cost option for a buyer interested in restoring a classic Cadillac. $11. 1983 Chevrolet Suburban K20 4x4, Dripping Springs, Texas, $7,500. This 1983 Chevrolet Suburban K20 is a rugged 4x4 SUV with a 350 engine and TH400 transmission, featuring factory options like tilt, cruise control, power locks, and windows. This vehicle is mechanically solid and ready for off-road adventures. Priced at $7,500, it's a robust classic SUV with a lot of potential for customization. 1984 Chevrolet Long Bed, Bellevue, Nebraska 3500. This 1984 Chevrolet Long Bed truck is powered by a 305 V8 engine and has 134,000 miles. It's rust-free and in fair condition, making it a reliable and affordable classic truck at $3,500. The clean title and functional mechanics make it a great choice for someone seeking a vintage truck with minimal restoration needs.